Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on ZTE Blade A51. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens in the default state of your device, so I'm going to show you the other method for that. In the first step, open the web browser and go to the google.com. Okay, now it's a very important step. Remember to switch your web browser to the desktop side. After that, click on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the files and choose source of your photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one, for example. Now whole process is starting automatically and we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google Picture database. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.